Dear friends, I am Subhash. Today I am going to solve the question number 2 of the exercise 7.1 of the chapter Triangles of class 9 CBSE syllabus. The question given is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle BAC, BD is equal to AC, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. I have cut angle ABD from the quadrilateral. This is the angle, this is the triangle ABD, and triangle BAC from the quadrilateral. So this is the triangle BAC. If I put this triangle BAC upside down, that is B point on the top, it will appear somewhat like that. Now to make the question more simpler, let me put the two triangles side by side. The final appearance with the triangle we are putting like this way. That is, here is the triangle BAC and here is the triangle ABD. Now let us come to the question. We have to prove triangle ABD and triangle BAC are congruent. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, let us see what is given. AD line is AD side is equal to, this is AD side is equal to BC side. So let us write AD side is equal to BC side. How we are telling it is equal? Because it is given in the question. So let us write the reason as a given. Now what else it is given? Angle DAB. This is the angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. How we are telling these two are equal? Because it is also given in the problem. So I am writing again, it is given. Now this portion, this AB is AB of the triangle ABD and this AB of the triangle BAC are the same. That is, two triangles have common sides, that is AB. So we can write AB sides equal to BA side, and the reason we can give CO common. We can give common. Now AD sides and AB sides and the included triangle DAB of the triangle ABD is equal to the BC sides and BA sides and the included triangle CBA of the triangle BAC are equal. So we can write triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle BAC because when the two sides and the included triangle of the one triangle are equal to the two sides and one included triangle of the other triangle, the two triangles are congruent. So what is the reason we can give? Side angle side. These two triangles now satisfy the side angle side rule of the congruency. So first part of the problem is over. Now let us come to the second part, where we have to show BD is equal to AC. See, this is BD line and this is AC line. This BD line and this AC line are the two corresponding parts of the triangle ABD and BAC. These are the congruent triangles. Now corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So BD is equal to AC. So let us as ABD is congruent to the triangle BAC. So we can write BD is equal to AC. The reason is CPCT, congruent corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. Now let us come to the third part, where we have to show triangle, where we have to show angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Now what is angle ABD? This is the angle ABD, this is the angle ABD, and this is the angle BAC. These are the two corresponding angles. These are the two corresponding angles of the congruent triangles. You see, this is the corresponding angles of the this is the corresponding angles of the this angle. So again, corresponding angles of the congruent triangles are equal. So again we can write as triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle BAC. We can write angle ABD is equal to angle BAC, and the reason we can give CPCT. So third part of the math is over, and so in this way we have completed the total problem. Hope you have understood the way the problem was explained and the logic applied to solve it. We'll meet with you again in the new video, where we will solve question number 3 of the exercise 7.1 chapter triangle of class 9. Till then, have a good time. Thank you.